Hi friends, Suzanne here with a new mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. I started this one-day local retreat back in 2019 and was finally able to open registrations for this fall of 2021, with more planned for the new year. So if you're local, I'd love to have you join in. Registrations will be on my blog, sunstampin.com. I asked a friend and fellow demonstrator, Terry, from carddesignsbyterry.com to help me with the event. We split the work, the costs, and brought together our local crafters for a first-class event. In this series, I'm sharing a dozen card designs we created for the make and takes at the event. Fair warning, some products are from the last celebration, so if you are looking to recreate, you may have to substitute. Today's card design is one that Terry created. So this is a real red card base, and this is a very vanilla thin piece of card, and it has been embossed with the brick and mortar 3D embossing folder. I'm just using dry adhesive here to apply it to the card. It is sized 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And I'm just applying it so that you get a very thin border. Sometimes I really go for the thin borders these days, but you know, you can always do thicker borders if you want. This is just a design to help you have a jumping point. All right, so this circle punch, or actually it's a circle die cut, and I'm pretty sure it's 2 3/4 wide. And I am stamping with real red ink with the sentiment that says warm Christmas wishes, and it is from the Encircled in Warmth stamp set. And I'm stamping on the top part of the circle and leaving a little bit of a gap for the bottom because I have this real red 3/8 sheer ribbon. I've tied it in a knot, and now I'm going to adhere it to the circle with a glue dot right in the center. Then I've brought my ribbon scissors out, and these are just our paper snips, they call them, but I've never used them on paper. As soon as I got them, I tied a little ribbon around them, and they are now my ribbon scissors. So this is a sprig punch, and it's in the annual catalog, and I have seen people use this sprig punch as like Rudolph's reindeer's antlers. So just so you think that, you know, the sprig cannot do much, it can do a lot. And then here we have a piece of plaid, and it comes from a designer series paper that was in the celebration recently. So I suppose you can't get this paper anymore. I do apologize. I have given warning, but I'm pretty sure that any plaid would look good with this. So the plaid is 3 by 4, and the real red card is 3 1/8 by 4 1/8, so it's just a little bigger. So I've adhered that circle with dimensional adhesive, and now now I will always see them as reindeer antlers, but these are meant to be twigs or sprigs or whatever. I'm adhering them with the glue dots. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. Those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store. I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.